Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this monthly widget calendar widget on any mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add this monthly calendar on your home screen? I'm just going to show this video. So first of all, just going to remove this. So actually update your calendar application, Google Calendar application from the Play Store. Just long press on your home screen, then click on the widget option. Then just need to find the option called calendar. Click on the calendar and you have the two more options. The second option is just talking about. It shows a calendar of month view. So just long press it or click on the add widget so you can just track it. After placing the widget on your home screen, just long press on the widget. So you have the option to resize it. So it will have many more spaces like this. You can just easily resize how much you just needed. This is the way that you can just easily access your monthly calendar from the home screen, and you can just place the Google Calendar on your home screen. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.